Okay, morning Insta fans. Today is a good day. We are going to be testing our quadcopter with the new flight control code. Yeah, it looks pretty good to go. I must be honest, quite excited. Here it is right here. Yeah, I will unfold it up just now. But yeah, so the aim is quite simple today. We are going to be able to, yeah, the sun is shining quite nicely, as you can see behind me. Nice and shiny. South African spring. It's pretty chilly, I must be honest. But yeah, so the idea is to really test the flight control code that I've put in, but more importantly to test the gimbal. So hopefully we can get some good images out of this. Let's see and wait.
I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, but I never showed. I wanna stay with you until we're grown old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye, and I'll thank my lucky stars for that night. When you looked over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Oh, and you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you'll get better. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know, darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. We've come so far, my dear, look how we've grown, and I wanna stay with you until we're great. Just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you, even when we're ghosts. 'Cause you were always there for me when I needed you most.
So what's happening now is I'm doing a flight mode called altitude control. And altitude control, you can see it above me, is basically just setting the altitude of the quad such that it's be able to, you see above me, I'm not controlling it, which is great. So it means that it's working, the quad is balanced, and yeah,